Hello everyone! Hello po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this baby tiger. This is size 12 centimeter and this is perfect for a gift for this coming Valentines, for your boyfriend, for your girlfriend, for your mom, your dad, your best friend. And you will need this safety eyes right here. I bought this one in Amazon. And maybe you can buy this one in the art shop or anywhere. You can just search for that. And this one right here, you will need scissor, darning needle, stitch marker, and 4.0mm crochet hook, and these three colors right here. Now let's go ahead for the tutorial. For the ear, we will start with a magic ring. Chain 1 and 4 single crochet inside the ring. Once you have 4 single crochet, pull the tail of the yarn and we will do a 2 single crochet in the first chain. And 2 single crochet in the next chain. Repeat for 8 single crochet. And once you have 8 single crochet, we will do a single crochet in the first chain and mark your first single crochet stitch and 2 single crochet in the next. Repeat for 12 single crochet. And once you have 12 single crochet, remove the stitch marker and do a single crochet in the first chain and mark it, and 1 single crochet in the next chain, and then 2 single crochet in the third chain for 16 single crochet. And make one more round of 16 single crochet and fasten off the tail and cut the yarn. For the mouth, you just need to do a magic ring, chain of 1, and then 6 single crochet inside the ring. And once you have 6 single crochet, you just need to do a 2 single crochet or increase in the first chain and repeat for 12 single crochet. And after, you just need to do a single crochet in the first and 2 single crochet in the second to make 18 single crochet, and just repeat one more round to have 18 single crochet. For the feet, you just do a magic ring, chain of 1, and then 8 single crochet inside the ring. And once you have 8 single crochet, pull the tail of the yarn and then do a single crochet in the first chain and then 2 single crochet in the next chain. Repeat for 12 single crochet. And once you have 12 single crochet, fasten off the tail and cut the yarn. And you just need to change the color. You just insert the hook on in the first chain and then just do a chain and then single crochet in the following chain. Repeat for 4 more rounds of 12 single crochet. And for this spot, you just need to do a magic ring, chain of 1, and then 6 single crochet inside the ring, and just do a 2 single crochet in the next round, 2 single crochet each of the chain for 12 single crochet. And then once you have 12 single crochet, you just need to do a single crochet in the next 4 stitches, chain of 1, and then go back, do a 4 single crochet, three and 4, and then chain 1, and then single crochet again the next 4 stitches, and you just need to do back and forth for 3 times, and you will have the chest spot of the tiger. And then fasten off the tail and leave a long tail and cut the yarn. For the tail of the tiger, you just do a magic ring, chain of 1, and then 8 single crochet on the black yarn. And then once you have 8 single crochet, you just need to slip through the orange yarn like we did on the feet, and just repeat for 8 centimeters. For the body of the tiger, you just need to watch the video. I put the link above this video about the black cat, and this is the body of the tiger. They have the same pattern. Just go there and make that body, and then when you're back, you have to fill with a stuffing, and then now we will attach the parts of the tiger.